Hi guys, it's me Vivian and welcome to Remington Just For You video series. So in this video, I will teach you different styles and techniques just for you using our very own Remington personal care products. So stay tuned and follow the series. Hi guys, I'm Vivian Visconde, hair and makeup artist. I've been doing hair and makeup professionally for the past 5 years and I'm here today to share with you different but easy to do hairstyles using this wonderful Remington brand of hairstyling tools in whatever looks you wish for, elegant formal, stylish rugged, or gorgeous casual. Fun fact, call it destiny for I have been using my trusty Remington hair care products for more than 5 years already. In partnership with Docoms Philippines Incorporated, we will have lots of fun doing some magic of bringing out the beauty of everyone. Yes, it can be done the Remington way. So, let's get started. So today, we will be using our Remington Curl and Straight Confidence Hair Iron. So, ang model natin today is si Allison. So, Allison, ang hair mo today is boho low ponytail using our Remington Curl and Straight Confidence Hair Iron. Ready ka na ba? Let's start. So guys, before we start, pakita ko muna yung features and settings ng ating Remington Curl and Straight Confidence. So, yung on and off button niya is nasa loob. And then, sa temperature naman guys, as you can see, walang buttons or walang kahit ano kayong makikita. So, sa temperature niya, ang gagawin natin is ito-twist natin siya pababa. Ayan. Para ma-enable yung ating temperature adjustment. So, after nating i-twist ng 3 seconds pababa, matatanggal na yung lock sign niya. So, pwede na tayong mag-adjust ng temperature. So, let's start. So, guys, gagawin muna natin is i-straight muna natin yung hair ni Allison since medyo wavy siya. So guys, itong Curl and Straight Confidence natin, pwede natin siyang gamitin pang straight or pang kulot. And meron din siyang kasamang heat resistant na pouch. So, kahit mainit pa siya after gamitin, meron din siyang hinge lock. So, yan. Kahit mainit pa siya, yan, lagay nyo lang siya sa loob. Then, pwede na siyang itabi. By the way guys, Remington Curl and Straight Confidence 2-in-1 Straightener has unique twisted plates that help those struggle to curl their hair with straighteners to instead curl with confidence. Its intuitive design means it requires minimal technique to create your look, instantly cools hair, and sets long-lasting curls. Ayan. So guys, section muna natin yung hair ni Allison into 2. So kumuha lang ako ng hair hanggang dito sa kanyang tenga. Ganon din sa kabilang part. So, same amount lang ng hair yung kukunin natin. And then, set aside muna natin itong natirang hair. And then, kunin lang natin yung ating sinet aside na hair sa harap. Lalagay lang natin siya sa likod. Secure lang natin ng Rio. So, tatansyahin na lang natin guys kung ganong amount ng hair yung kukunin natin. So, dapat same amount lagi. And then, kukuha ulit tayo ng section ng hair. So, sa ilalim lang ulit. Kuha lang tayo ng Rio. Gagawa naman na tayo ng pony. So, low pony lang siya. Kuha lang ako ng small amount ng hair. Then, babalutin ko lang yung ating Rio para hindi siya makita. Then guys, curl lang natin yung ponytail. So, any directions will do. So guys, done na tayo sa hairstyle. Proceed muna tayo sa makeup. So this is the final look of our boho low ponytail hairstyle. Thank you for watching.